putting special paper into the bypass tray on the Konica Minolta Bizhubs. When you do have any special paper that you want to put into the bypass, you will select or put it into the bypass tray and move the guides until it is tight against the machine or the page. At that point, this screen will appear. On the side here, it will verify that it got the size right, so it should auto-detect the size. And then over in here, you will tell what type of paper you put in there. So for example, for thick paper or transparency papers. Also, for the different thicknesses, as you choose them, it shows you right here what weight that thickness is in grams per square meter. So you can go ahead and choose the thickness, close out of there, and now it will know that that is thick paper. From the paper option, you can also always choose that tray. If you do want to change the type of paper for any of the other trays, select the tray, hit change tray setting, and you can choose the type of paper it is for there. So for example, I could say this tray has colored paper so that the machine knows not to roll from that tray to another tray that has plain paper in it when it is done.